Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm pretty excited to show you a trick how you can use picture-in-picture mode on YouTube, on Safari as well as Chrome browser. So this is really important when you want to work on your project simultaneously watching your favorite videos on YouTube. Similar to what I'm doing, let me show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see right now, I'm watching, for example, I'm watching my favorite video here on YouTube. But the thing is that I cannot, watch the video at the same time while working on my project on the Final Cut Pro. So this is really challenging because, editing videos is quite boring and exhausting. So it's better if you have something to watch while working and editing on my videos project. So now let me just show you very quickly. So the trick is, this is on Chrome. So what I'm gonna show you first is on Safari. So now let me just launch Safari. So pretending that I'm watching this video and I want to watch this video at the same time working on my project. So all I have to do is to right click. As you can see, one right click for the first time, I got all of these options. So all I have to do is to press right click one more time. So I scroll my mouse away from that pop-up menu. Right click one more time and I will see enter picture in picture. So now let me switch to my project. So the video is here. I can just resize the screen so that it can be bigger and smaller as long as I need or whatever I want. Okay, so that is on Safari. So let me show you very quickly on Chrome. So this is on Chrome. So on Chrome, the same thing, I'm watching one of my favorite videos right now and I want to use a picture-in-picture mode so that I can watch the videos at the same time working on my project. So all I have to do is to do the same thing. Right click. So one time, I get all of these options. One more time. No, nothing else happened. So one more time. You got all of these options. One more time, and I have picture in picture. Click on that, so the video is here. So now let's back to my project, so I can move the project around. As you can see that. So I can make it smaller. Put it on the top right. But one thing is that in case your browser or your computer does not support picture-in-picture mode in that way, so what should you do? So I have another trick for you to show you now. All you have to do is to go to Chrome, Chrome browsers, go through the three dots here, and more tools, extensions. And then click on extensions over here and then open Chrome Web Store. Now all you have to do to search the store here, picture in picture. Over here. So the first one is what you need. Picture in picture extension by Google. So you can see I have already installed or added this one onto my Chrome browser. So you see the word remove from Chrome. So after installing this one, it's pretty amazing. All you have to do is to go back to the video that you're watching. So you're watching this video and you want to activate picture-in-picture mode. So all you have to do is to click on this one, this extensions icon. Just click on that. And you see picture-in-picture extension. So click on it, and here it is. So now you got picture-in-picture mode, and you can work on your project at the same time. That's pretty amazing, right? Okay, I think this video has come to an end right now, and this is just a quick trick for you guys because I have been away from YouTube for I think almost a month now, and I miss you guys so much. And let's just make this quick tutorial just to keep this community alive. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share, and like this video if you learned something from here. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.